What I want to reveal to you is a game changer for parents. Did you know that you can have parental controls for your teenage children on TikTok? Yep. You can set limits. You can manage what they search for. You can even limit their notifications for certain times. Now, I'm Richard Poth. I'm a teacher and I'm a concerned parent. And I want to show you how to do this. So come on, let's dive in.
So in this video, we're going to look at how you can use parental controls in TikTok. Now, the rules of TikTok say that you cannot have an account unless you're 13 and over. So this video is based on the fact that your child is over 13. So I have my child's iPad here. I'm going to tap on the TikTok app and I'm going to go straight into the profile. So I've already gone into the profile here, so to save the videos coming up. So you click on the profile here, that will take you straight into the profile. Then we're going to tap the three lines at the top and we're going to go into settings and privacy. Now what I'd like you to do is scroll down to family pairing. So we're going to tap on family pairing there. And this is going to allow us to link this account to a parent TikTok account. So it tells you there what this allows you to do. So I'm going to tap on continue. It's asking, who is this TikTok account for? Well, this particular one is for the teen. So then we're going to go next. So it says scan the QR code from your parent's account. So what we need to do now is go to our parent account. So here is my parent iPad. I'm going to go into TikTok on my parent iPad. I'm going to do the same thing. So click on the three lines at the top, go down to settings and privacy, scroll down to family pairing, continue, and this time we're going to go parent, then next. That's going to give us a QR code. So on my child's one, I need to scan that QR code. So let's do that. So I'm going to scan code. It's going to ask me if I want to allow the camera, which I do. And then what we're going to do is just scan that code in there. So let's find the code. There it is. That's now scanned that code. And then we can say link accounts. And we can say there's the account, Attic parent there. So we're going to link accounts and link that account. On my parent app, it's now telling me that I've linked my teen Attic account there. So I can see there, and I can add further accounts if I want to. Multiple teenagers in my house. They're all over 13. I can add those accounts. So now on my parent iPad, I can go into that teen and I can look at the different options available to me to restrict some of the things that my teen can do. So for example, screen time. I can look at the screen time that's been spent on the app, but I can also click on daily screen time at the top here and set screen time limits. So if we tap that, I can set it the same limit every day or a custom limit per day. So I'm going to tap on that and I'm going to set my limit to 2 hours. So the maximum they can use TikTok for every day is 2 hours. Set my screen time. Bearing in mind, you can also do this from the screen time settings on your iPad itself. So you can set iPad, so you can do both as well. If you click the link in the corner here, you will see a video that will talk you through how to do that. Now notice on here, if the 2 hours runs out, on the child's iPad they will be given a message to say enter the passcode to get more time, and this is where you as a parent can show passcode and then they will enter that passcode in order to get more time. The passcode will be different every time you do that. So let's go back now and back again and see what else we can do. Push notification schedule. So this is going to allow you to set the notifications. When are notifications allowed for your child? So we can set the schedule from 9 AM to 3 PM. So they'll turn off notifications for your team during this time, which is obviously school time. So we don't want any notifications coming to the children during school time. We can change that obviously by tapping on the time and changing the time there. But it's also saying at the top here, between 9 p.m. and 8 a.m, no notifications will be pushed out. That's obviously during night time, where you would hope that your teenager is sleeping. So, content preferences. So let's tap on content preferences. Filter video keywords. So we can tap on this and we can add keywords. So when you filter a keyword for your teen, they won't be able to see videos in their For You or following feeds, or both, that contain that word in the video's description. So you have the power here to then add keywords for specific things you don't want them searching for. Restrictive mode. Turning on restrictive mode would allow you to make sure that certain inappropriate videos are not seen by your teen. Notice it says there, if restrictive mode is on, your teen won't be able to log out and switch to another account. So I'm going to turn it on for this particular child. And now let's go back. Search. So at the moment, we've got search turned on. This is going to allow your teen to actually search for anything on TikTok. Obviously not allowing them to see the restricted videos. You can turn that off so it won't let them search for anything. Privacy and safety. You have the ability to turn the account on as a private account. And where it says suggest your teen's account to others, well, if you turn this off, your teen's account can't be suggested to people that they know. Finally, here, safety. This allows you to tailor what messages, videos, and comments that your teen can actually see. So who can send direct messages to your teen? So we can change that to no one. We can change it to just friends, suggested friends, or everyone. Again, with the videos, everyone, only your teen. And who can comment? Again, everyone, friends. So I'm going to turn that to friends. So only friends can comment on the videos. And finally here, if you want to unlink it, you can unlink the account if you need to. So they might get to a certain age where you think, right, okay, they're responsible enough to look after this themselves. So that is parental controls within TikTok.
What would really help me get the message out there to support the well-being of our children is for you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share this with other parents. Check out the other parental support videos that I have on my channel, including setting up screen time on Apple devices and Roblox. Yeah, Roblox, parental controls on Roblox. Check the videos out here.